In the Bible, God promises many wonderful things to those who believe in Him. He promises to heal you, guide you, meet your needs, protect your family. But why is it that if you're a Christian, bad things still happen to you? How come, as a believer, you're not fully protected and blessed by Him? Well, let me ask you this simple question. Are you serving God, or are you expecting Him to serve you? You see, lots of Christians nowadays just sit around and say, "Please God, can you do this for me? Please God, can you do that for me?" Like He's Siri on their iPhones or some other kind of slave robot. But that's not how it works. God doesn't serve you. You must serve Him. Now, I can speak from my own experience in saying that when we first become believers, God seems to answer virtually any prayer we ask of Him. However, after a while, this no longer seems to happen. Why? Why isn't the Lord answering our prayers? Well, the simple explanation is that He expects us to grow spiritually. He expects us to be led by the Spirit and act like sons and daughters of the kingdom. Jesus says in John 12:26, "If anyone serves me, let him follow me. And where I am, there my servant will be also. If anyone serves me, him my Father will honor." Just take the time to ask yourself this question. Am I serving the Lord, or am I expecting the Lord to serve me? Are you one of the many Christians today that's more interested in the blessings of God rather than God Himself? Your priority must be the Lord. You should be asking, what can I do for God, rather than what can God do for me? Just wait. Wait for Him to speak to you. In time, He will tell you all that He wants. Now, this raises another question. How do you know if God is speaking to you? Well, if the number on the screen calls your phone, pick it up, because it's God calling. No, I'm just kidding. In all seriousness though, if He speaks to you, trust me, you'll know. If you're not sure, then it's not Him. In Matthew 6:33, Jesus tells us, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." Remember, if you seek Him and serve Him, you will be blessed by Him. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this video helped you. You're welcome to share it if you feel it would bless someone else. Please subscribe if you would like to be notified when we post our next one. God bless you. See you next time.